Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the light in the trunk of the MX5. This is for the 2016 and later models. It's a small little diffuser light. Mine still works, but I got an LED kit and upgraded the interior light, so I figured might as well go ahead and do the inside light. First of all, turn the light off just in case. Get a vinyl trim removal tool. They're kind of soft, but they're rigid enough. I like the one with the 45-degree angle. Go ahead and insert that behind your light. So we can just do one here. Should just pop out. Yep, there it goes. It just pops right out. Alright, and this one is wired, unlike the one in the cockpit. So just go ahead and pop this out. I can do it one-handed. Let's try the other side. Oh, that's one way to do it. Send it flying. Okay, so that's the old light. As you can see, here's the new LED. Alright, it's going to give you an idea of what you're working with. So here's the original bulb style, and then the LED, same concept. The little yellow section is the LED, so you want to make sure that's facing outwards. So we'll go ahead and put this in. Oops, sorry. Go ahead and put this in. This is the tension on it, so just push back and down. Make sure that's in all the way. It seems to just be pressure mounted, and hopefully you do it right. If not, it is gonna go into the abyss. That's your trunk. Let's see, before we put it in, we'll test it. Yep. Almost honestly, probably 2 to 3 times as bright. That's a nice clear light. And then turn it off. Double check that it's not going to go anywhere. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so that clicked into place. And there is a little like divot hole thing. I don't know if you can see it, where the light kind of clips into. And then just push it back in place. There you go.